Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Trados Beauty. How are you all doing? Thanks for the loves, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. You guys are so awesome. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive more updates from me anytime I upload a video. Okay, on my last video I discussed about an hair mask I'll be showing you guys, and now is the day. So today I'm showing you an hair mask I used on my hair. So it's been 2 days I left my hair to breathe, so I left it open. You all can see how it is now. So guys, let's continue, and let's not forget, please watch to the end so that you'll be able to understand how I prepare this, okay, so that you too, you will have a lot of benefits from it. Okay guys, now let's continue. What we'll be needing, okay, we'll be needing our avocado and a banana and our aloe vera and fenugreek. I soaked this has been overnight. You can soak this overnight, and you see the dry ones here. This is the dry fenugreek seed, and you soak it overnight. It turns out to be like this. The water is very useful too. You can use it as an hairspray. On my videos, you will come along these too on my videos as time goes on. And the usefulness of this has a lot of benefits on our hair, our body, and so on. It strengthens our hair follicles. It prevents premature gray hair. It prevents dandruff, dry and itchy scalp. And as banana, it prevents frizzy hair too. We'll be needing mustard oil. Mustard oil stimulates hair growth too, but this is an optional. Okay, it's an optional, guys. This is very good on my hair. That is why I'm using it. So I'm showing you guys what I used. And coconut, you all know coconut, the benefits of coconuts. Okay, now let's get started. First is how I do it. I do this, peel off. I'm only using the quantity that I need. I don't have to do much. I only need some few quantity that I will be using on my hair. So, but first remember to wash it off, guys, to remove bacteria. Okay, you wash it.
Trying to forget about you, I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed. 'Cause if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know.
Okay guys, you can blend the fenugreek seed first. If you want your paste to be very smooth, you can blend the fenugreek seed at first, okay, before adding any other ingredients to it like the banana or the avocado. But me, I'm doing mine like this, okay, but I'm just telling you the proper way if you want to get the right the right paste to come very smooth and you don't want to waste much of the items on it.
Trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed. 'Cause if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go,
I'll be leaving this for 1 hour.
baby, I just gotta
As you can see, my hair is now looking so beautiful and neat, guys. Let me show you guys how it is. Okay, so So beautiful. I always comb my hair when my hair is a little bit wet, because when it gets dry it's so difficult to comb. Or after being dried, I use this leave-in condition. I have a vitamin E capsule, aloe vera, coconut oil, fenugreek seed, black seed, and onion peel. This is very great. You can see my edges, they're coming back. This is what helps me. It helps me a lot. What I do before using it, you have to shake it first. Spring it, you see? Spring it on my edges. See, use it. See? August. Use it this way. Okay, see. Then what I do next? Comb it. You always comb your hair with care to avoid cutting. Okay guys, love you guys. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive more updates from me anytime I upload a video. Okay, stay tuned guys, so that you'll be able to see how I prepare this. Okay, love you guys.